Another universal law that proves that God exists is the law of pain and suffering. This is very much linked to the law of death and mortality. At some stage in our lives, we will undergo some sort of pain and suffering. Genesis 3 is where God imposed the sentence of death and the law of suffering. To Eve he said, verse 16, I will greatly multiply thy pain and conception. In pain shalt thou bring forth children. And to Adam he said, cursed is the ground for thy sake. In sorrow shalt thou eat of it all the days of thy life. In the sweat of thy face thou shalt eat bread and return to the ground. This was done so that man might yearn to look for something greater beyond this life. Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 11 tells us, he causes all things to happen at the right time. He puts questions in our minds. We want to know what happens after death. We cannot understand all the things that God has done. From this we can see that God does have a clear plan for mankind. That same plan is revealed in his word, the Bible, but we do have to search for it. The state of pain and suffering in the world show us that God is alive and very much in control of our world.